QSL, I hear somebody coming back with my numbers and my personal. Sounds like we've talked before there. I'm going to QSY to 515. This is 2 Alpha Whiskey 014. 2 Alpha Whiskey 014, USA, North America. Going to QSY to 515. QSY 515. QSL? CQDX, this is 2 Alpha Whiskey 014, 2 Alpha Whiskey 014, State of Tennessee, USA, North America, calling CQ. QSL, hear many stations coming back, but I'm going to take the ones that I hear. I hear the 3-1 Bravo Charlie 007, 3-1 Bravo Sierra, Bravo Sierra 007, good day to you. 3-1 Bravo Sierra 007, this is Ken, Kilo Echo November, 2 Alpha Whiskey 014, State of Tennessee, back to you, good morning. QSL, pick a frequency. I don't have a frequency counter on my radio at the moment, so pick a frequency. I can go between frequencies. I can go 5 down. Pick a frequency there, and we'll go to it there, QSL. QSL, very good. QSY to 560, I go.